Welcome to the Zenix Hospital in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at zoll.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this video, we review the adult defibrillation features in AED and manual modes on the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator. If so configured, your Zenix device will power on in AED mode and guide you through CPR cycles.
Stand clear. Press shock. Perform CPR.
The timed CPR cycle will continue unless you select pause or play Zenix in manual mode. To enter manual mode, select Manual on the navigation bar and select Yes to confirm. Manual defibrillation is a three-step process. First, confirm energy select joules. Next, press the charge button. Finally, deliver the shock. To disarm Zenix at any time, select the red Disarm key located on the right side of the defibrillation dashboard. In manual mode, pressing Analyze prompts the user through a CPR protocol. Select the Exit button to return to manual defibrillation. We have now reviewed the adult defibrillation features in AED and manual mode on the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator.